Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this lemon ice box pie. Simple, easy, yet refreshing for these hot summer days. The ingredients you're going to need is a 9-inch prepared graham cracker crust. If you'd like to go ahead and make this, you may. 1 tablespoon of your freshly grated lemon rind and 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to show you how to do this here in a second. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of water, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and a 14-ounce container of your sweetened condensed milk. Let me show you how we're going to prepare the crust. Add your egg white here into a measuring cup. Now you just want the egg white. You can reserve the yolk for later use if you wish, or disregard it. That 1 teaspoon of water whisk till well combined. We're going to use that egg white wash to line the bottom of our graham cracker crust. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees at this point. Now that you have an even layer of egg white on that graham cracker crust, this goes into that preheated 350 degree oven for 5 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Just took my graham cracker crust out of the oven. We're going to set this off to the side and let it cool completely. I'm using a microplane to grate my lemon zest. You're just wanting to take off the outside of your lemon. You don't want to get deep into the lemon in the white part, or you're going to get a bitterness. We're looking for 1 tablespoon of this. I'm working on my second lemon. That looks like about a tablespoon. Let's measure it and see what it gives us. That's absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to show you how I love juicing these lemons. For the fresh lemon juice, it's the lemons we've already zest. I'm going to cut it in half. You can use a fork to loosen up the juice, and you're going to add it right here into a 1/2 cup measure, because you're looking for a 1/2 cup of your fresh lemon juice. Or if you have one of these, which is my favorite way to get your juice out of a lemon, you're just going to add it in here, and we're going to add it right into our cup. And you get a lot of lemon juice at one time. Make sure you strain any seeds that are in your lemon juice. Add your cream cheese into a large mixing bowl along with that sweetened condensed milk. With a rubber spatula, I make sure I get in there because you want every little drop of that out. With a hand mixer, beat these 2 ingredients well together until nice and smooth. All right, and that looks fantastic, nice and smooth. You don't see any hunks of your cream cheese in there. Now we're going to add that fresh lemon juice, and oh my gosh, that smells so fantastic. And then we're going to add that fresh zest. We're going to just incorporate this on low until it's well combined. It won't take long. Now this is time for its crust. Ooh, and look how fantastic, nice, creamy, delicious, and if you could smell how fantastic this is. I always recommend using a spatula when you're getting your pie filling out of its bowl. That way you'll get it all out. What we're going to do is we're going to just spread it from side to side. Make sure we have an even top here. That looks absolutely fantastic. Cover. You can use the top of that prepared graham cracker crust, or you can use plastic wrap or tin foil. And this chills in the refrigerator for 4 hours, but no longer than 8. I've had my lemon icebox pie chilling in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to divide it in half, and you want to make sure you get all the way down there into that graham cracker crust. I quarter it. Then you can cut the quarters into thirds or half. I think I'm going to do half. Oh my yums. Using a fork. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. And ooh, look how fantastic that is. I'm going to put it here onto a serving plate. I like to dollop it with a little fresh whipped cream. Garnish it with a lemon, and looky there. Now, got to give it a try. Got to get a little whipped cream on there. Wow. Refreshing, nice, cool, delicious lemon ice box pie, y'all. It's delicious. hope y'all give this a try. I'm Deronda. Follow me here on YouTube or Instagram. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you lovely people later.